You want a strong motherboard for your new Ryzen PC, but you don't want your budget to explode, and built-in Wi-Fi would be nice too? Then stick around until the end, because this board has a few surprises you probably didn't expect. If you're looking for a compact but powerful motherboard for a gaming system, this Gigabyte model is definitely worth a look. With the current AM5 socket, you're ready for all modern Ryzen CPUs, whether you're starting now or upgrading later. When it comes to memory, you get full DDR5 support. 2 slots are more than enough for up to 128 gigabytes, and both Expo and XMP profiles are supported. That means easy overclocking without digging through the BIOS for hours. Now, power delivery. Gigabyte uses a solid 5+2+2 two-phase design with high-quality MOSFETs. Sound too technical? In plain English, your CPU gets stable power even under heavy load, perfect for gaming, streaming, and creative workloads. On the networking side, this board is really well equipped. You get not only wired LAN with 2.5 gigabits, but also built-in WIFI6E. That means ultra-fast, stable wireless, even in crowded networks. And of course, Bluetooth is included. For expansion, there's a full PCI Express 16 slot with a quick release system called Ease Latch. That makes it super easy to remove your graphics card later. An M.2 slot for fast SSDs is also here, but only one, and it runs just at PCIe 4.0 speeds. For most users that's plenty, but if you want 2 blazing fast SSDs, you might need to upgrade. You'll also find some neat extras. QFlash Plus, for example, lets you update the BIOS even if no CPU or RAM is installed. Super handy, especially if you're using a new CPU the old BIOS doesn't recognize yet. Fans can also be intelligently managed via Smart Fan 6, with temperature monitoring and automatic stop at low load. Design-wise, everything is simple but functional. RGB support is there, with a 5-volt ARGB header and a standard RGB connector. That's enough for a little light show inside your case without going overboard. Price-wise, this sits in the mid-range, but offers strong value. Modern features, solid power delivery, WIFI6E, all in a compact micro ATX board. If you don't want a huge tower, this is a great pick. If you want to check out the board for yourself, definitely look at the links in the video description. You'll also find current deals there. So, what are the pros and cons of this motherboard? Pros: modern AM5 socket with future-proofing, DDR5 with Expo and XMP, easy overclocking, built-in Wi-Fi 6E plus 2.5 gigabit LAN, BIOS update possible without CPU or RAM, clean power delivery for gaming CPUs. Cons: only one M.2 slot with PCIe 4.0, no PCIe 5.0. Micro ATX format means fewer expansion options. No DisplayPort outputs, only HDMI and VGA. USB ports are decent, but not exceptionally fast. For anyone looking for a compact, modern, and well-equipped motherboard without jumping into the high-end tier, this Gigabyte model is a really solid choice. Wi-Fi, strong power delivery, good features, the price-to-performance ratio just works here. Be sure to check the video description for the best current deals. And if you enjoyed the video, leave a like, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to the channel for more PC hardware reviews.